Hello guys, welcome to day 5 of Hackerrank series of code challenge, and today we are going to take a look at loops. So in this challenge we are going to use the for loop. The challenge is simple. We have to just print a multiplication table of the given input. So here the input is 3, so we have to print the multiplication table of 3. So let me tell you what for loop is and what is its syntax. First let me delete all this confusing code and start fresh. Alright, int main. First, let's declare an integer called n and take the input and store it in n. Okay, so this is the syntax of a for loop. So there are three statements in a for loop. So the first is the initial condition. So let's set integer I to 1, and then we have to, the second statement will be the condition. So if that condition is satisfied, then the loop will be executed. The code block under the for loop will be executed, and then we have to write the third statement, which will be executed after uh, every iteration of that loop. So this is the initial condition where our I is 1, and then it will come to the second statement and check if this condition is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, then it will execute the code block under the for loop, and after the execution it will come to the third statement and perform this operation. So it will increment the value of I. So now the value of I will be 2, and then it will again check this statement, and if it satisfies, then it will again execute the following code. So if this for loop is followed, then the execution of the code will be done 10 times, whatever the code is between the curly brackets. So now that you know how to declare a for loop, let's write the output. So we have to print the multiplication table, right? So first will be the value of n. So cout n. Then we have to leave a space, then the multiplication symbol, then again leave out some space, uh, one block space, and then we have to print the value of I. Right. So first, in the first iteration, the value of I will be 1. In the second, the value of I will be 2, and so on and so forth till I is 10. So n into I, then again we have to leave out some space, then equal to sign, then again some space, and then n into I is equal to n into I, the value of n into I, and we also have to leave that line. That's it. We are done with the challenge. Let's run the code and check if it works. Alright, so it's working. Let's submit the code now. So we are done with the challenge. Now I just want to tell you that the for loop is very important in coding, and you will find it that you use it many times. So practice with the for loop and make it your strong point. That's it. Thank you guys. So I'll see you in the next video.